My name is Molly and this is my story. I'm the station coordinator for Radio Platform, which is based at the Wales Millennium Centre. When I was younger, it wasn't easy to think of any aspirations beyond the valleys. I'm hoping to have a career in the media, however it hasn't really been that easy in the transition from being in the valleys to going to work in a city. Being a woman in the media industry is not easy. However, there are a lot of us and I have felt really encouraged by the women around me to carry on and chase my dreams in the industry. I absolutely love where I come from. However, there are a lot of disadvantaged communities that need all the help that they can get. Just because someone comes from a disadvantaged community doesn't mean that they're not talented. And I think that it would be absolutely great if there was a level playing field for everyone. So when public bodies are making big decisions, I would like them to think of people like me.